YouTube, but it do, it's your boy Barber, back with another reaction video. Today we got Speed getting a haircut today. iShowSpeed cries after Barber ruins his hairline. Like, I know what that feel like, cause I done got messed up by some barbers too, so I feel for Speed. But let's get into it. Subscribe.
Donated $499.99 through Super Chat.
Chat, the haircut is done. Let me see what you got, bro.
Huh. Where's his where Speed? Hold on. Speed, no way. Then you gonna take another look where it's not real, right? It can't be real. Look at him in the back, he like, oh. Oh my God. No way, Speed.
I don't.
It's slanted, bro. It's slanted. It's literally slant.
Yeah, I like it, bro. I like it.
Why are you lying to him?
I like it.
Why are you lying to him? Look at this face.
Straight, bro, straight. The fuck is this? I'm not laughing. The fuck?
It's crispy.
I'm not finna be no
Bro.
just say this good, but it's not good.
It's good.
No, it's not.
Louis, look at this. Look at this haircut. Look. Do you see this? Do you see this? Look at. Exactly. Nah. All right. I just had to show you that because is that not crazy? Exactly, bro.
I'm not no. This shit is ass.
Nah, I feel you, Speed.
It's like some black person just pissed on my head or something. What is this?
Is that the spray?
It's not a regular.
And it might be worse because the spray on his head is making it look a little straight in the oval.
What the f is this?
Nah, Speed.
Like,
I feel bad for you.
No, wait. I think I'm tripping. Let me just calm down.
Okay.
Bro, am I let me call somebody, bro. Oh, let me call Aiden.
Bro.
I know I'm not tripping. Am I tweaking? Chat, am I tweaking? Yo, Aiden, serious question. Is my hairline good? Nah, serious. Is my hairline good?
No way, Aiden. No way, bro.
Well, I'm tweaking then.
Actually, I don't know.
Bro, no way.
Darren, I don't know. To be honest.
It's mid. No, I don't even think it's mid. Like, it looks.
No.
You know. I don't know. Probably, maybe, man.
I'm confused why it looks like that.
Bro, I mean, yo, like, I didn't get a haircut like. Okay, I didn't get a haircut in like months, and you know where I'm about to go. You feel me? And I gotta look fresh. You feel what I'm saying?
I get you. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Why does it look like that right now?
That's what I'm saying. Like, it looks like a.
No, for real. Why does it look like that, bro?
You know what it is, bro?
What?
Barber's white.
He did a little nervous laugh, like.
Cut your hair.
Wait, are you right?
Bro, he's
Yeah, he's right. Speed, he's right, bro. He's right. Look at your, look at him, bro. Look at your hairline, bro. But let's take a look at the barber's hairline real quick.
Ask him.
What's wrong with
Back up a little bit.
Are you white? What are you?
Let's see his hairline.
Are you Argentinian? Mexican?
Back up a little bit,
He
bro.
likes Speed
Back
likes
up a little
Messi.
bit, bro.
I know.
promise you.
That's real.
The barber's hairline looks. No, look at the barber's hairline. And look at Speed's hairline. Major difference. No way. You just let this man do this to you.
Please.
Speed, you got set up.
He got set up.
Dog. Bro, hey. Okay. I get you like Messi and shit.
Mm-hmm.
I get you like Messi. I get that. I don't know what are you? You're not white. I can tell you're not white because your hair. That's not white hair. You're like you have something in you. You have like fucking.
But look at his hairline compared to yours, Speed. You should be mad.
Hergamanji, Luthania, what do you have in you? Yeah, see, yeah, you're not fully. Yeah, you're not white. I can tell you're not white. But I'm gonna be honest, bro. This like as a grown man, like I used to be scared to like say cuts are bad, but like this is bad, bro.
That is
This shit is
bad.
Yeah, fix it. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna give you a chance. Yeah, fix it.
Bro,
That
he got
shit
a
is
clean cut.
ass.
And then,
This is
Alright.
an ass cut. The
Let's see
fuck
what he
did you
can-
do to my head?
No, let's see. No way they cut the clip off after that, bro. No way. Hold on. Let me go back. Hold on. Move. What is this? Let me go back. Oh my gosh.
Do to my head.
Speed. And then he laughing at you, Speed. Like, you gotta get your lick back somehow, bro. Look at the hole in Speed's wall, bro. I would punch a hole after my hair looks like that, dog. No cap. Like, Speed. I cannot believe this, bro. But let's go back to the beginning when he revealed
Rocky
it.
donated $499.99 through Super Chat.
Shut the haircut is done. Let's see what you got, bro.
The fact that you paused. I'm down. I just had to react to this because Speed, bro, you need your one. You gotta have your one with him. Like, if y'all want Speed to have this one, like, comment that below. Like, he needs his one after this because that's so disrespectful. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, I'll see y'all in the next one. Subscribe. Join the twins.